Welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. Big engines, classic styling, and wild characters, all in one channel. Subscribe now and experience the real hot rod thrill. Number 1. The 1932 Ford pickup. Priced at $22,500. As listed, this 32 Ford features a real steel cab and fenders, while the bed is noted as non-original. Power comes from a crate 350 small block equipped with dual quad carburetors and a performance camshaft. According to the seller, the engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, backed by 2,800 revolutions per minute stall converter. The drivetrain includes an S10 rear end with 3.73 positive traction gears, and the truck is fitted with a full exhaust system with electric cutouts, allowing it to switch from quiet cruising to a more aggressive sound. The exterior is finished in black, matched with a black interior, and the truck has reportedly been driven approximately 2,500 miles since completion. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives well, and holds a clean title. Offered at $22,500, the truck is available for sale or trade, with the seller open to trading up or down with cash involved. Located, Cedar Bluff, Alabama. Number 2. The 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe. Listed at $10,000. Put the seats in. Going to put some of the trim on for you. This 41 Chevrolet two-door comes powered by a 327 small block paired with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that all bodywork and paint were completed last summer, and both the floor and trunk are solid. The car is described as running and driving well, and has been driven approximately 3,000 miles since completion. The vehicle is equipped with a painless wiring harness, and while it is largely complete, the seller mentions it needs a few finishing touches. Suspension-wise, the car reportedly features front and rear G-body clips, which have been fabricated into the original frame, with the work appearing to have been done many years ago. The chrome, glass, and stainless trim are all described as being in great condition. Additional details include brand new wheels and tires, with a second set of wheels that may be included instead of the black steel wheels and slicks currently shown. A new lower floor shifter has been installed, but is not yet connected at the transmission. Offered at $10,000 or best offer, with the seller open to possible trade for other hot rods, trucks, or Harley motorcycles. Located, Worcester, Massachusetts. Put the seats in. Number 3. The 1925 Ford T-Bucket. Priced at $19,500. As described in the listing, this 25 T-Bucket comes equipped with a 355 small block with just 600 miles on the build, backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The engine is fitted with Promax aluminum cylinder heads and an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake, topped with dual quick fuel 450 CFM carburetors. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, while fuel delivery comes via an electric fuel pump. Power is sent to a 10-bolt rear end, and spent gases exit through ceramic-coated Zumi headers with baffles. Finished in black exterior paint with a red interior. The seller states the vehicle runs and drives great. It is offered with a clean title and an asking price of $19,500. Located, Anderson, Indiana. Number 4. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Priced at $29,500. As listed, this 32 Ford comes equipped with a 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. According to the owner, the car is equipped with suicide doors, power windows, and a tilt steering column. While it does not have air conditioning, the seller notes that the car runs as good as it looks and is truly ready to enjoy. The coupe features a black exterior with a black and gray interior. The seller presents it as a well-sorted street rod, built for reliable cruising and everyday enjoyment. It is offered with a clean title in hand, with no trades and cash only. The asking price is $29,500, and the vehicle is located in St. Cloud, Florida. Number 5. The 1931 Plymouth 3-window coupe. Priced at $50,000. According to the listing, this 31 Plymouth is an all-steel car, with fewer than 2,500 miles since completion. Power comes from a Ford 302 engine fitted with 351 cylinder heads, built with a mild performance setup. The engine features roller rockers and MSD ignition, and is paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car runs and drives well. Stopping power is handled by front disc brakes, while the chassis features a painted frame and a chrome-dropped front axle. The body is finished in dark purple, and the car includes suicide doors with remote openers, along with power windows and a power trunk. Inside, the coupe features a black leather interior. Additional details mentioned include tinted windows and numerous custom touches throughout the car. The build is described as highly customized, combining classic hot rod styling with modern comfort features. The seller notes that many details went into the build, and that there may be more upgrades than listed. The asking price is $50,000, and the owner is open to trades, specifically a 1955 to 1959 Chevrolet pickup, Suburban, or panel truck, or another hot rod of equal value. Located, Tylock, Oregon. Number 6, 1934 Ford Street Rod. This 1934 Ford four-door street rod is a classic all-steel build that dates back to the early 1970s, making it a true period street rod with long-term history. The car spent most of its life during the 1970s, 1980s, and 1990s in Orlando, Florida, and has been under the current ownership since 2006. The vehicle retains its original steel body and factory frame, preserving the authentic character of a traditional hot rod. Power comes from a 283 cubic inch Chevrolet V8, equipped with a tri-power carburetor setup, which was rebuilt in 2012. This classic engine configuration delivers smooth performance and a timeless sound. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, rebuilt in 2023, ensuring reliable operation and comfortable cruising. Comfort and drivability have been improved with the addition of vintage air automatic air conditioning, making this street rod suitable for longer drives and warmer climates. Suspension upgrades include a 1969 Corvette independent rear suspension, providing improved handling and ride quality, along with an early 1960s Corvair front suspension featuring disc brakes for enhanced stopping power. The car rides on American Racing aluminum wheels, giving it a period-correct street rod stance. Included with the sale are several valuable extras, such as a brand new Bob Drake 1934 grille with emblems, a rack and pinion steering rack, a Greyhound hood ornament, and additional bushings, lights, and various 1934 specific parts. Overall, this 1934 Ford Street Rod represents a well-preserved, historically rooted build that blends vintage hot rod style with practical mechanical upgrades. The car is located in Madison County, USA, and is offered at $39,999. Number 7, 1930 Ford Sedan. This 1934 two-door sedan is presented as a strong-running and great-looking driver, suitable for regular cruising and enjoyment. The car runs and drives very well, and overall condition reflects a well-cared-for classic rather than a project or unfinished build. The drivetrain has been updated for reliability. The previous 700 R4 transmission has been replaced with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, making the car simpler to maintain and easier to service. The engine itself runs strong and performs exactly as it should, providing dependable power for street use. Inside, the interior is described as very clean and well finished, featuring a wood dashboard that adds a traditional hot rod and classic car feel. The seats are in excellent condition with no holes or major wear, contributing to a comfortable and visually appealing cabin. The car does have a minor issue worth noting. It needs a rear transmission seal, as it leaks slightly when the vehicle sits in the garage. This is described as a small and straightforward repair, and it does not affect how the car runs or drives. The only reason for the sale is that the owner no longer drives the car regularly, making this an opportunity for someone looking for a ready-to-enjoy classic sedan rather than a long-term project. Overall, this 1930 Ford sedan offers a solid mechanical setup, attractive interior, and strong drivability at an accessible price point. The car is located in Avery County, North Carolina, USA, and is offered at $23,000. Number 8. 1931 Ford Model A Roadster Body. This 1931 Ford Model A Roadster is offered as a body-only package, making an ideal starting point for a custom hot rod or street rod build. The body is fiberglass, finished in flat black, and described as being in very solid condition with steel reinforcement for added strength and rigidity. While the manufacturer is unknown, build quality appears strong. The doors open and close smoothly with no sagging, indicating proper alignment and good structural integrity. The hinge trunk functions correctly, adding convenience and usability for a future build. Included with the body is a hinge seat that folds forward, along with upholstery and carpeting in excellent condition, saving time and cost during interior setup. The windshield is also included, making this a more complete body package compared to many similar offerings. Overall, this is a clean and well-kept Model A Roadster body, well suited for builders looking to start a project without dealing with major body repairs or fitment issues. The body is located in Knox, Tennessee, USA, and is offered at $3,200. Number 9. 1940 Ford Convertible. This 1940 Ford Convertible is a well-restored and well-traveled classic, originally restored in the 1990s and kept in the same family ever since. Finished in a striking teal blue paint with bright chrome trim. This car presents as a high-quality driver that has also proven itself on the show circuit. Over the years, the car has won first place at multiple car shows and has been driven extensively across the country, traveling through Colorado, New Mexico, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Missouri, and more. It has even completed laps at Texas Motor Speedway, adding a unique and documented chapter to its history. Power comes from a twin-port fuel-injected engine, paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, making the car easy and enjoyable to drive for a wide range of enthusiasts. The interior features modern comfort upgrades while still maintaining a classic and period-correct appearance, striking a balance between vintage style and usability. Mechanical condition has been recently addressed. The car was inspected by a mechanic and received a fuel system service, along with a new battery and new spark plugs. The mufflers were replaced a couple of years ago, giving the car a proper and refined classic exhaust note. Overall, this 1940 Ford Convertible represents a turnkey classic with a strong family history, proven reliability, and both show and driving appeal. The car is located in Mesquite, Texas, just outside of Dallas, and is offered at $55,500. Number 10. 1932 Ford Roadster. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a clean, steel-bodied Brookville build presented as a strong driver that's fully ready for both cruising and car shows. It features an all-steel Brookville body, giving it the correct classic look and solid build quality that hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. The car has recently received a new interior along with a fresh brush-style paint job, giving it a clean and updated appearance while still maintaining traditional hot rod character. It sits on new wheels and tires, completing the stance and ensuring it's ready to hit the road immediately. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. This drivetrain is known for its reliability and simplicity, and it's described as running strong and dependable, making the car ideal for regular driving as well as weekend events. The trunk has also been fully finished, adding practicality and attention to detail, something often overlooked on roadster builds. Overall, this 1932 Ford Roadster presents as a turnkey hot rod, requiring no additional work before enjoyment. Located in Travis County, Texas, this Roadster is offered at $45,000 or best offer, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a classic steel-bodied hot rod that's ready for shows and open road cruising. Number 11. 1923 T-Bucket. This 1923 T-Bucket is a classic hot rod presented in very good condition and ready for immediate enjoyment. Built in traditional T-Bucket style, it delivers a raw and lightweight driving experience that hot rod fans look for. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, offering strong performance with straightforward and reliable operation. This setup makes the car easy to drive, while still delivering the aggressive character expected from a T-Bucket. Overall condition is described as very good, making this a solid option for cruising, weekend drives, and local car events. The car is being offered as a turnkey hot rod, with no need for additional mechanical work before use. The seller notes no trades, no joyrides, and is looking for serious inquiries only, emphasizing a straightforward sale. The vehicle is located in Muskogee County and is offered at $20,500 or best offer. For anyone looking to own a simple, powerful, and iconic T-Bucket hot rod, this example offers strong value and classic street rod appeal. Number 12. 1929 Ford Model, a custom street rod. This 1929 Ford Model Custom Street Rod is presented as a 100% turnkey, reliable build that's fully ready for both car shows and long-distance cruising. The seller describes this car as capable of being driven coast to coast, emphasizing its comfort, reliability, and highway manners. Power comes from a new Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with a new TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is set up for highway cruising, and the car is equipped with rack and pinion power steering and front disc brakes, making it easy and confident to drive in modern traffic. The interior has been extensively customized and features a tilt steering column, classic instruments gauges set in a wood grain dash, leather seats, power windows, and vintage-style air conditioning. Modern convenience is added with a rear-view camera and a custom Bluetooth sound system, blending classic style with modern functionality. Additional features include a locker shifter, shaved door handles with electropoppers, and a custom-built chassis designed to eliminate rattles and improve ride quality. The body is all steel except for the fenders, and the exterior is finished in pearl white paint with hand-painted pinstriping, giving the car a clean and high-end appearance. Overall, this build is described as having well over $50,000 invested, making it a strong value at its current asking price. The seller notes that the car runs cool at all times, the automatic choke functions properly, and the vehicle is truly ready to drive anywhere. Located in Karnes County, Texas, this 1929 Ford Model Street Rod is offered at $24,900, with possible trades considered. For someone looking for a fully sorted, comfortable, and show-ready street rod, this Model A checks all the right boxes. Number 13. The 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Offered at $38,000. According to the listing, this 31 Ford is a show-quality build, finished in a striking deep metallic purple paint with custom orange and purple flame graphics. The seller describes the car as having a custom tube frame chassis, which is powder-coated in matching purple. Power comes from a small block engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The suspension setup includes an independent front suspension with coilover shocks, while the rear features a 4-link suspension with coilovers. Inside, the coupe is fitted with custom white tuck-and-roll upholstery in a diamond pattern, complemented by a custom dash with a digital LED gauge display. The seller notes that the car has been driven approximately 3,000 miles, with all systems fully operational and professional wiring throughout. Additional build details and photos are available upon request. The asking price is $38,000, and the car is located in Shreveport, Louisiana.